Here are some popular used tractors in stock. 5 Massey Ferguson. Horsepower ranges from 100 to 130. Working hour ranges from 800 to 2000. From the appearance, you can see they differs a lot. And one tractor, one price. For John Deere, 290 horsepower. Both were manufactured in 2015. 140 6-cylinder. Both were manufactured in 2019. That one 1,200 working hours. This one 125 working hours. All tractors are without any new paint. From the appearance, you can see its condition. Everything is new. So if you